Good morning, everybody. Sorry for delay. I had a computer problem and took time to restart it again. So anyway, I'm gonna go do fast this time. Yes, pre-market it was kind of flat, and then we got comments from Fed that they're not thinking about rate. He's not thinking about rate cut, and it pulled back and is now recovering. Here's the thing that I wanted to say yesterday. What's interesting is the last 2 days, giant techs they're not as strong as other names. And even though like yesterday was interesting, well on Wednesday was interesting that after the FOMC, we got a pullback into the close, like 3 o'clock, and then it recovered into the close, and then we went to high at night, and market opened up, and then midday we had a pullback again on giant techs, and giant techs acting weak, and compared to other names, and a lot of money are flowing into the small caps. So that's something interesting to note. What I wanted to say is that historically, if you look at the stock market, at certain times there are certain names that are hot. Like 20 years ago, 15 years ago, it was like Exxon, and then there was 20 years ago it was like Cisco was hot. So every period of time there is some hot names. I'm not saying Apple, Amazon, or these big names gonna fail or go down, or they're gonna get crazier going lower. No, what my point is that in the future, sooner we're gonna have other names coming up. So have to find what names is gonna be strong, what names gonna stand out. What's gonna be? Who knows? It has when it comes up, everybody's gonna know about it. So the point is, look for new names that they're getting crazier, going higher. Those are the names that soon later on they're gonna be the next $1 trillion company, the next hot names. That's the point, and yeah. So anyhow, let's go back to market. ES pre-market right now it came down. 5 minutes is golden crossing, recovering. Still 15:30, 1 hour is downward. 4 hours is dead cross, which is not a good sign, but it's not like crazier downward pointing down. It's still very bullish on weekly and daily. All-time high is not too far away. NQ pre-market, same thing, recovered almost all of the pullback. 5 is up, 15 curving up. If 15 MACD golden cross, we can go crazier higher. 30 MACD is golden cross, 1 hour upward. 4 hour is dead cross, so gotta be a little bit cautious, but it's still very bullish on daily and weekly. Dow Jones hitting new all-time highs, but the 4 hour is dead cross, which is not a good sign. After any name hitting all-time high, new all-time high, 4 hour dead cross, not too much good sign, and you can see it's not recovering as other names. RUT just running up crazy on daily and weekly until 4 hours not dead cross, not expecting a crazy pullback there. TNX coming up a little bit. If it gets above 40.42, it can be worry, but the lower this goes, the higher market can fly up higher. 4 hour daily weekly is still downward. Sorry, I'm going fast because we are late. I am late, I'm sorry, my fault. DXY pulling up, and due to that comment that the Fed member made, Fed Williams, it came up. Still bearish on daily and weekly, but the 4 hour is curved up. So if the 4 hour golden cross is gonna be cautious. Pre-market 15 and 30 is upward. Wix 2% lower. Yesterday was Wix was a key point. Like you can see here at 12 o'clock, it start jumping up. So always keep an eye on Wix. If you see Wix jumping, it can have sudden pullbacks. And right now 1307 is the key, 12.1 and 1135. These are the key level you want to watch. If it passed 1307, gotta get worried. 4 hours golden cross on Wix, and daily MACD is still upward. The two SPX, it's just hovering around 47.16 for now. So next key level, if it runs up higher, is 47.69, and if it pulls back, 46.73. These are the two major levels. I've already shared the key level, the other major levels on chartwiser.com account. You can see the details number there. BTC 1.5% lower. Daily MACD is still downward. 4 hours about to dead cross, so showing some weaknesses pre-market, and not so much good going on going into this weekend. So Apple, new all-time high hit yesterday. Still 4 hours not dead cross, but we got dark blue bar. Daily, weekly is still bullish. Key levels to watch is 191, 199.52, 201.1. Once the 201 breaks, we are good to go to 203, 205, 207. But yesterday had a pullback. 197, 196 are support. If it goes below 196, then we can retest lower level 195, 194, and 194.02. Amazon. Same thing, it tried to break 150 yesterday, but then it pulled back hard, and came down all the way to 145.71. So again, either way is possible. 4 hours dead cross. So 150.55 if at any time breaks. We're looking at 154, 157 next major. A lot of people loaded 150 calls in for January, but again 148 if it fails to hold, again retest 146, 145.71. Nvidia opening flat, pre-market right now 5:15:31 hour is upward. 4 hour we got dark blue bar, so it's starting showing a little bit weakness. So 487 is a key level, need to pass 487 to run up to 489, 491, 493. But again, if it pulls back, if you see 15:30 MACD dead cross, 479, 474 next support. I like that the daily MACD is curved up, it's near having golden cross, so this one does have a chance for run up next week. AVGO starting showing some weaknesses, but is not pulling back hard, is establishing a range for now. Key levels to watch is 1101, 1115. If it 1115 passes, we're looking for next target 1138, 1162. Below 1101, next supports are 1088, 1078. 4 hour is dead crossing, so it's possible have some pullback, then recovery until we get the next 1 hour golden cross. When the next 1 hour golden cross, then it can run up again, like same like Nvidia did, AMD did. Daily and weekly is still very bullish. BABA opening 1.5 points higher. Daily MACD is golden crossing, so this one is on run up. It's time, if you like to load up on this one, every dip is a buy for now, and it's all about 75.37. If 75.37 pass, we're looking at 76.38, 78, 79.65. 4 hour until the 4 hours doesn't show a dark blue bar, it does have chance for run up. Netflix was very weird action yesterday, and as soon as it opens, boom, it drops. So that shows a little bit weaknesses and rebalancing and stuff like that. If there's any symbol you're interested, let me know in the comments. 4 hours near dead crossing, and so yesterday was very weak. 471 is recovering right now, so 5:15:30 is upward. If the 1 hour MACD golden cross, 474 is key for run up to 479, 484. But if 471 can hold it, again retest lower level 467, 463, 461, 32. Meta, same thing, it was weak yesterday, but it did some recovery, and it's all about 335. If 335 82 passes, we're looking at 338, 341, 345. If 331 can hold it, again retest lower level 327, 324. Pre-market 5:15:30 is upward. 1 hour is golden cross, which is good, but we got dark blue bar on the 4 hour, and daily MACD is near golden cross. So one push up, if this one MACD golden crosses, does have a chance for run up later next week. Tesla, what a monster, craziness. 1 hour is dead cross after 2 days. So when the 1 hour, basically on Tesla, when 1 hour dead crosses, it shows that that's probably end of that phase of run up. It went all the way to 254.2, so that's a key level you want to watch. If it opens and passes 254.31, 256.54 easy can come. If it goes above 256 for any reason, 257, 258, 260. My next long target is 272.93. Again, pre-market right now 15:30 is downward, so supports are 248, 246. If it goes below 246, it can fail again like last few weeks and go lower, so keep that in mind. Microsoft was very weak yesterday, was non-stop going lower, but right now it's opening almost 3 points higher. Pre-market 5:15:30 1 hour is upward, 4 hours still pressuring down. TTM is squeezed and MACD is still bearish. Daily same thing, and weekly MACD is curving down, so it's all about 369. 369.89, if it passes, we're looking at run up to 373, 373, 375, 76. If 368 fails, again go back lower to 366, 365.29. Google, Google was very weak yesterday too, but had a nice bounce up into the close. It's all about 132.71. If we can get over there, we're looking at 134, 135.59. But 131.82, if it fails again, we can go lower to 130.82, 130.04. Pre-market right now 5 is up, 15 is not golden cross yet. 31 hour is upward, 4 hours curved up. So it's a 4 hour MACD golden cross, does have a chance for run up next week and today. AMD got an upgrade, so this one is all about 139.54. 154 if you see past that one. It's possible. Same yesterday, had a jump up at open 140.76, 142.72. Those are the next target. If it goes again fails, because yesterday was interesting. It opened, it jumped, then it fell and came lower. So 138.70 and 138.79, 137.58. Those are the support. Below that, we can go 135, 134. 4 hour is dead cross, so there is a possibility for some pullbacks after every jump up. Boeing just a big jump up. This one, the quarterly MACD is near golden crossing. Go check the monthly chart on the quarterly MACD. You will see when the quarterly MACD golden cross it moves like 100, 200 points in a period of time, like 1 year. So 257 is the next key level. If passes that one, we're looking at 261, 264.53. Those are the next key level. And pre-market right now, 4 hour got a golden cross yesterday, but right now pre-market 1530 is weak. So if you see 15 MACD golden cross, it has chance for run up. 5 MACD pre-market is golden cross, so it's all about 257 78. If 255 fails, again retest lower level 253, 250.95. SPY, keep in mind, today they're gonna distribute dividends. So Monday 2 points automatically, 2 points gonna drop, but a lot of time recovers before market opens. If it doesn't, not good point, not good. So 471 is the next key level there. 471.77. It was a big resistance yesterday. So if passes that one, we're looking at 473, 475, 477.92. Again, yesterday was some dump midday. So if 470 can hold it, we are looking for 468, 467 next supports. QQQ, it's all about 405.66. If we can pass that one, 406, 407, 408.99, new all-time high. 404 if we can hold it, 402, 401.54. Pre-market 5 is up, 15 is curved up, 30 MACD is almost about to golden cross, and 1 hour is already golden cross last night. So there is a chance maybe we see some jump up at open. Today is OPEX day, volume is going to be very high at open, and then then there is going to be a huge volume at the close because there is a lot of deep in the money calls. That's pretty much on the major names. IWM opening a little bit green. 201 is the next key level. Passes 201.84, passes 203.98, 206.7. TLT. It's all about 98.91. If it passes that one, we're looking at 100.09, 102.1, 103.92. Pan W was weakening yesterday, so keep that in mind. It just jumped very crazy. Apple is pulling back right now. So 297.25 is the next support there. Rebalancing already started. Names are pulling back. LLY. 567 if you can hold it. 555 is the next major level there. MDB was just a big yo-yo. LRCX new all-time high. 774 if it breaks. Next major is 820. A lot of names are pulling back right now. Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Roku was very interesting. It opened, it jumped, then it pulled back. So this name did got a reality check. Keep in mind, when market goes up, everything goes up. Even names that are bad, they have bad news, they have everything is bad about them, they go up. I'm not saying Roku is bad. So there was some like bearish names on Wednesday, but even though because market went up, they went up. So Roku got a reality check that it went to 108, 107, then it got pulled back to 100 again. So 163 if it can hold it again. 98, 92, 97, 21, 96, 15 is there. SMCI running up there, but pre-market 5 to 1 hour is downward. A daily MACD is golden cross, which is good, and I like that they got a yellow bar on the weekly. So it's all about 296.85. Past that one, 301, 306. That GS was a crazier runner. 386 if it passes, we're looking at 393, 404, 416 there. Next major long terms. That's pretty much it on the major names. Let me see what else you got here. FSLR, ENPH, because rates are going lower, they are jumping higher. People can refinance or finance, solar panels easier. Yuri new all-time high. That one is on the run too. Lennar, home builders. That's something interesting. home builders, they going went up crazy. Right now it's pulling back due to ER, but keep an eye on the home builders stocks too. PDD, China stocks, keep in mind next target there is 150.28 there. Passes that one, we're looking at 154.17. Bidu jump up too. Chinese names are strong today, 116.13. If it passes, we're looking at 117, 119. That's pretty much it. SPCE. Um, all right, 2 minutes to open. 298, 298 passes, 290, 393, 548. To be honest, this is a dead company. To me, my opinion, it's just very dead unless it passes to 298. Daily, weekly, and 4 hour is upward, but this name has been out of news for a long time. Yep, thank you so much. Have a good one, and best of luck today, and happy Friday.